Stop making these 5 common mistakes in ServiceTitan. I'll show quick fixes you can use now. Mistake 1. Not logging call outcomes. Leads fall through the cracks. Fix. Require call dispositions and automate lead follow-ups. Mistake 2. Sparse job notes and missing photos slow text down. Fix. Enforce photo checklists and use templates for every job. Mistake 3. Outdated pricebook items cost you revenue. Audit pricing, set effective dates, and use bundles. Mistake 4. Inefficient scheduling, double bookings, and hidden drive time. Fix. Enable drive time settings and use smart dispatch rules to auto-assign. Mistake 5. Ignoring reports. No KPIs means no improvement. Fix. Build dashboards, schedule reports, and set performance alerts. Recap. Log call outcomes, mandate notes and photos, clean your price book, schedule smarter, and use dashboards to track performance. Audit your ServiceTitan today. Download the free checklist in the description to get started.